market just to show everybody some of the differences in the real estate world as far as what properties are for sale. Today's no different. I want to look at 27817 Wakefield. And it's up in Castaic, so you can punch that in here and then click search, and you'll be able to see this beautiful property. And you really have to take it all in. Now, I did attach a Matterport 3D virtual tour, so when you get to the property itself, feel free to just click on the virtual tour button, and then you can check out the Matterport 3D. It will pull up here, and then, of course, you can immerse yourself in any one of the parts of the property, walk all the way through, of course, and here's the living room, and so on. So you can come in here and have a look at the kitchen. So really, really fantastic. But let's look at the pictures. Let's look at the presentation. Just a fantastic tree, right? Beautiful. But then look at the property itself. You can see the exquisite layout. You got a large driveway pad in front of the garage. You got upgraded gate on the side. Let me go back to that. You do have this block wall here, beautiful, separating from the neighbors. Look at this curb appeal. This is a cul-de-sac in here. This is the Wakefield Road that comes in, but it's just beautifully positioned. What a great, healthy tree. And then it's far enough from the property so you're not worried about roots or any of those things that people might be concerned with. But again, just gorgeous. Lots of, remember when you were a kid climbing a tree? Remember that? I remember that. Remember all the sap. But anyway, I don't know if this is a sap bearing tree, but look through this. They've really dialed it into the nines. Beautiful. You got some vaulted ceilings. It is a single story. That's a big deal. About 24.9% of the current active listings in the single home realm are actually single story. So of all the listings that are for sale, just hard to find. That's why there's so much more attraction brought to them. Look at this kitchen. Look at the way it's been outfitted. You got that beautiful stainless steel hood, these beautiful counters, full blacks, backsplash, folks. Just gorgeous upgraded flooring. You have some beautiful distressed wood in here all throughout the house. Just gorgeous. Got ceiling fans everywhere, mirrored closet doors, beautiful window coverings, upgraded bathrooms. I mean, come on. This is really, really difficult to compare to. In fact, the feedback that we've gotten has been just immense, just wonderfully positive. So please check it out. I think this is going to really check all the boxes. You got extra storage and everything else. Just a really beautiful property. Here's the backyard, beautiful covering back there. Lifetime roof again. Just a beautiful laid out home. Anyway, I'm Connor MacIvor. Please check it out. 27817 Wakefield Road. It's just a gorgeous piece, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.